Hey, Lady Bosses, welcome back to the Lady Boss Boost, your 5-minute tip to grow your business fast and stress free. Do you want pro looking visuals without having to hire a designer? Well, I'm going to show you how to use Canva's AI tools to generate logos, mockups, and branded graphics that feel aligned and custom, even if you're not techie or creative. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into Canva. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and I'm going to show you the power of Canva AI. Okay, here I am on my front screen, my home screen of Canva. I'm going to go up here to the top in the middle. It says Canva AI. I'm going to click on that. And you can do all kinds of things here with Canva AI. You can design for me, create an image, draft a doc, code for me, or create a video clip. More videos on those later. So I'm going to click on create an image. And what's going to come up is all the images that I have created in the past. Some of them I create for my blogs. Some of them I create for logos. I'm playing around with a kid's storybook. You can really do so much on Canva AI now. It's actually blowing my mind. Okay. So I use them for my logos, for my workbooks, for pretty much anything, for all my courses and products. So what you can do is go ahead and type in what you want your logo to be. I've got one saved on my clipboard here. Logo for a woman-owned digital business brand in bold, hot pink, and gold. So I'm going to add for a women-owned digital business brand called Lady Wealth Warrior in bold, hot pink, and gold. Now I'm going to give it some additional instructions just to really fine tune it. So I'm going to say make it fun, or I'm going to actually say make it professional, elegant, and eye-catching. Also, make it three-dimensional. So whatever actually fits your brand, okay? Don't use the exact words I use unless that is your brand. You want to use it to align with your brand. So I'm going to go ahead and change the size here. So you've got 16 by 9, which is your wide. You've got your mobile view, and this square is a 1 by 1. So that's kind of typically what a logo size is. So I'm going to select that one. Now there's different types of styles that you can use. You can have a smart style, cinematic, creative, bokeh, macro, all the different kinds. You've got illustration, you've got pop art down here. So I'll show you some of those afterwards, okay? So let's go ahead and click go and let's see what Canva AI creates for us. Now, the amazing part is it's super fast, okay? I'm not pausing the video or anything. Look how fast that was and look at that logo. Not bad. Now again, AI does not always get it right and they don't spell all the time, but I'll tell you what, they are getting so much better, okay? Now, you have coins that you can use each month, and each month they reset it to 500 coins. So you get five, and it only takes one coin to make 4 different images. So not bad. So what you can do is if you like this one, like I like this one here, I can go ahead and click the edit button. It'll open a new tab and I can go ahead and edit that design right from here. Okay. Or you can just go ahead, I love that, just the way it is, and you can click download and go ahead and download it. Now, if you're like, nope, don't really like any of those, let's try again. There's 2 little squares right here above the last design. Click on that and it says, or hover over that, it says reuse prompt. I'm going to click on it. It's going to put the prompt back up at the top and you can change whatever you need to change. Make it professional, elegant, let's see. Bold, hot pink, and gold. Let's see. And I'm going to change it to purple and gold. Let's try that. Ready, go. Let's see what comes up. Again, not pausing. It works so quickly. And you see it only used 1 more coin. So now I'm at 487. So these are pretty cool. I like this one. This one's kind of neat. They're all really good. So that's how you make a logo right here inside of Canva. Now, let's say I wanted to change this style. I can go ahead and use the prompt again. I'm going to click on style and let's do the pop art. Let's see if we can stand out a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and click the go button and let's see what those look like. So I've used it for logos for my workbook. So just whatever the title of your workbook is. And there you have it. So that's your pop art. So it might look a little bit different, but you can describe the image. A little girl sitting on a park bench with a small dog. Petting, petting the dog and eating an ice cream cone. And there we go. I'm going to leave it at pop art. Okay. I'm going to hit go and let's see what comes up. Now I didn't change the size. So this is the logo size, but if you wanted to do say a 9 by 16 or a 16 by 9 so that it's long ways. Now look at that. Not bad. Now I can make some more descriptions like blonde haired girl, you know, anything that you want to describe, but that's pop art. So I'm going to use the same prompt and I'm going to change it to, let's do cinematic. Let's do cinematic and ready, go. And again, you have, so I've never run out of coins. I've never made that many designs where I've run out of coins in a month. So have some fun. Oh, look at that. Okay, so it's a little bit more realistic. These are great. These look really good. So you can, the sky is the limit here when it comes to creating images using Canva AI. So there you go. Have some fun with Canva AI. So I hope this was helpful and I hope you have some fun designing with Canva AI. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I put out tutorials every single week and my Lady Boss Boost once a week to give you those 5-minute tips to help you with your business. I hope to see you next time. Bye for now. If you want to continue learning and growing together, watch this video that's coming up next and I will see you over there.